Want to create insane product scenes in Unreal? Let me show you how in 3 minutes. First, create a rectangle of 10 meters by 10 meters in the software you are used to using. In my case here, 3D Studio Max. Convert to spline. Delete these two lines. Smooth this vertex down here. Apply an extrude. Convert to polygon. And invert normals. There you go, you already have an aesthetic mesh with an infinite background. Export and take it to Unreal. Export as FBX and take it to Unreal. Bring the asset you just modeled, create a new level, call it Studio, and place your asset inside the studio. To light your studio, start with an HDR backdrop. As the primary light source, set its position to 0. Apply a simple white material and position your camera. And replace the light source in the HDR backdrop with a studio type light source. Create a camera and position the camera. Keep the intensity of HDR1 at 1, which is the default value. We will always use the HDRI as our main light source. The artificial lights will be our secondary lights, okay? And now add the artificial lights. I've already prepared them here for you. You can pause this video here and note the positions to replicate them there in Surreal, alright? For our artificial lights, I am using 3 backlights, which will illuminate the back part of our studio, and some lights around our model. For the backlights, you can note down the positions and the rotation of each one of them. For the lights that will illuminate our main model, you can also note the values. And now add a post process so we can control the color grading of our scene. In the post process, let's look for infinity and set it so that our entire scene here is encompassed by the post process. Now let's look for exposure. Set the exposure to 0.25 and lock the auto exposure. Compensation at 1 and 1. In color grading, let's change the temperature to 5150 to make the scene cooler. Saturation 1.1, a little more saturated. And the contrast to 1.3. Done. Now you just need to bring your object into the scene. Stay here, between the lights. Position your camera correctly. Adjust the camera lens settings to these values that I will provide here for you. 24, yeah, 24. 22. Here at the lens aperture. And the lens size, let's use a lens of approximately 35 millimeters. And also adjust the focus to focus here on our object. Done, your studio scene is ready. Cool, with this studio scene here now you can insert your models and work on the materials of your models individually and thus create your own library. If you like this tip, click on like. If this video reaches 1,000 likes, I'll make this studio available for you to download and use with your models. Leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see for the next tip. Materials. Realistic lighting or animation concepts for equines. Bye.